Food Vocabulary 1. Countable and uncountable nouns. Suitable for beginners, A0, A1. This is an easy video. Bread, bread. Broccoli, broccoli. A cabbage, a cabbage. Cabbages, cabbages. A cake, a cake. Cakes, cakes. A sweet, a sweet. Sweet, sweet. A carrot, a carrot. Carrots, carrots. Celery, celery. Cheese, cheese. A cheeseburger, a cheeseburger. Cheeseburgers, cheeseburgers. Chicken, chicken. Chocolate, chocolate. Coffee, coffee. A biscuit, a biscuit. Biscuits, biscuits. A cookie, a cookie. Cookies, cookies. Corn, corn. Sweet corn, sweet corn. Cornflakes, cornflakes. A cucumber, a cucumber. Cucumbers, cucumbers. An egg, an egg. Eggs, eggs. Fish, fish. A chip, a chip. Chips, chips. A French fry, a French fry. French fries, French fries. Spring onion, spring onion. Green onion, green onion. Scallions, scallions. Ham, ham. A hamburger, a hamburger. Hamburgers, hamburgers. A hot dog, a hot dog. Hot dogs, hot dogs. Ice cream, ice cream. Gelato, gelato. Jelly, jelly. Jello, jello. Vocabulary. Food, nouns. Grammar point. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Grammar point. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are both singular and plural. They use the indefinite article a or an in the singular form. Countable nouns use the adverbs many, a lot of, some, and not many. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are always singular. They do not use the indefinite article a or an. Uncountable nouns use adverbs much, a lot of, some, and not much. Grammar point summary for countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns use the indefinite article a or an. They can be singular or plural. Countable nouns use adverbs many, a lot of, some, and not many. Uncountable nouns are always singular. Uncountable nouns use adverbs such as a lot of, some, and not much. Useful vocabulary. Buy, buy. Can I have? May I have? Please, please. At the shop, at the store, at home, at home. Useful vocabulary. Small, small. Big, large. Half a kilo, pound. A piece, a piece. Table, table. Useful vocabulary. Plate, plate. This, this. These, these. Jar, jar. Left, left. You can find LibLingo on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or on our website www.liblingo.com. Bye!